Hello fashion enthusiasts, this is Prestige Style Hub, your guide for all things style. We're all about helping you express your personality through your wardrobe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and leave us a like or comment. Today we will dive into the art of casual office OOTD, so buckle up and enjoy the ride. A casual office OOTD, or outfit of the day, isn't just about wearing what's comfortable. It's about finding a harmonious blend of comfort and professionalism. You see, even in a laid-back office setting, it's essential to look neat and presentable. It's about wearing clothes that allow you to express your personal style while still maintaining a level of decorum suitable for the workplace. Because at the end of the day, your outfit is more than just fabric. It's a reflection of your professional attitude. Remember, your outfit is a reflection of your professional attitude. Every wardrobe needs a few key pieces to create a versatile casual office OOTD. A well-fitted pair of jeans is a non-negotiable, acting as a perfect base for any outfit. Next, a crisp white shirt offers a clean, polished look while maintaining an air of nonchalance. And let's not forget about footwear. Comfortable yet stylish shoes complete the ensemble, adding a dash of personality to your office attire. With these items you can mix and match to create a variety of looks that exude casual professionalism. Now that you know the essentials, let's talk about styling. It's all about finding that balance between comfort and professionalism. For instance, pair a basic white shirt with chinos and loafers for a smart yet relaxed look. Don't forget accessories. A statement watch or a tasteful necklace can elevate your outfit and give it that personal touch. Play around with different combinations, there's no right or wrong. Remember, style is personal. It's all about expressing yourself while adhering to office norms. And that's a wrap on casual office OOTD. Remember, it's all about mixing and matching essential pieces to find your unique style. Don't be afraid to experiment and express yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Prestige Style Hub for more fashion tips and tricks. Until next time, stay stylish.